بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Next thing you have to do, everyone, a lot of good deeds, the opposite. A lot of good deeds, because the good deeds will move the bad deeds. And Allah said this in Surah Al-Baqarah, and you probably all of you know, وَأَنفِقُوا فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ وَلَا تُلْقُوا بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَى التَّهْلُكَةِ وَأَحْسِنُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ الْمُحْسِنِينَ. Spend for the sake of Allah. $1, 50 cents, 1,000, whatever you can. Spend it with the intention that by charity the wrath of Allah is removed. الصدقة تطفئ غضب الرب. Charity extinguish the anger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I'm not saying this is anger. I don't know. We don't know. But we are taking all the means. A lot of charity, ihsan, excellence in manners with each other, with people, Muslims or non-Muslims, good manners, good human beings.